It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss and Creative Kids Learning Academy won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Creative Kids. Bible knowledge. Which disciple was also known as Cephas?
Matthew. Matthew!
That should be Cephas. That's incorrect. The answer would have been Peter. Bible knowledge. Stella Maris. Who was the father of the disciples James and John?
Who was it?
Just say something.
Just say a name.
Zachariah.
Incorrect. Zebedee. Local affairs, a visual question. Creative Kids. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Morris Guy. Morris Guy!
Member of Parliament. That's correct. Stella Maris. Local affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Delroy Chalk.
Incorrect. Anthony Hilton, Member of Parliament. Science. Creative Kids. Which organ is at the center of the human's circulatory system?
Heart! Heart!
Correct. Stella Maris. Science. Which bean-shaped organ filters waste from the blood in humans?
The liver.
Kidney!
Correct. Creative Kids. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Scar! Scar!
Correct. Stella Maris. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Simba.
Simba!
Incorrect. Mufasa. English language. Creative Kids. Does the word prolific mean poor, scar, or abundant?
Abundant. Abundant!
Abundant is correct. English language. Stella Maris. Does the word blatant mean deliberate, accidental, or wise?
Deliberate.
Deliberate.
Correct. Sports. A visual question. Creative Kids. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
O'Shane Thomas. O'Shane Thomas!
Incorrect. Kamar Roach, West Indies cricketer. Stella Maris. A visual question. Sports. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Should we just say something? Andre Russell.
Incorrect. Shannon Gabriel. That's the West Indies cricketer. Creative Kids. General knowledge. In which country are persons referred to as Kiwis?
New Zealand! New Zealand!
Correct. Stella Maris. General knowledge. Which country is often referred to as Down Under?
Australia.
Australia!
Correct. Creative Kids. Social studies. Who was the Governor General or the Governor of Jamaica during the Morant Bay Rebellion?
Edward John Eyre. Edward John Eyre!
That's correct. Stella Maris. Social studies. In what month and year was the Morant Bay Rebellion in Jamaica?
December 25th, what year? 16.
No.
1830.
Say it. December 6,
December 25.
1861.
Incorrect. October 1865. Creative Kids. Music. To which specific family of instruments does the clarinet belong?
Woodwind! Woodwind!
Correct. Music. Stella Maris. To which family of instruments does the cello belong?
String.
String!
Correct. Mathematics. Creative Kids. How many times can you get 0.18 from 90?
500 times. 500 times!
Correct. Stella Maris. Mathematics. How many times can you get 0.15 from 300?
20 times. 20 times.
Incorrect. 2000. Creative Kids. Jamaican affairs. Who is the Member of Parliament for Northwest St. James?
Horace Chang. Horace Chang!
That's correct. Jamaican affairs. Stella Maris. Who is the Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Thomas?
Delroy Chalk.
Incorrect. Dr. Michelle Charles. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 9 and Stella Maris Prep on 4. Now, before we head to the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Plan your daily calendar and activities, as this will keep you organized and productive. Set up a calendar on your phone or computer and ensure you stick to study, play, and relaxation time. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.